Ikaw ba ito, kapatid? Yung pagising mo sa umaga, alam na alam niya ang sagot sa tanong, para kanino ka bumabangon? Kung kanino siya nabubuhay, it is a life surrendered in the will of God. Your calling is too great. Every one of us receive a calling na it's very great na kailangan nating pangalagaan. And our God is too good for us to waste our life for meaningless things. Stop wasting your life to what is not God-honoring. Bago muna tayo magplano, or we have to start it with acknowledging who God is. That He is Creator and He is sovereign. Because in Christ, we find real purpose. In Christ, we find real identity. He is the one who will make us intentional. Bago ka muna magpaplano, bago ka muna magsiset ng goals ko this year, let's first align our hearts to Him. Before we seek the blessing, we seek first the blesser.